Hello, good morning, good afternoon to the people across the globe. This is Chola Crypto, and let me straight away get into the topic today. So, Bitcoin is at 16,528, 522, 523, and I'm expecting that I feel that we have seen the bottom. I feel that we have seen the bottom. That's 13,588. If it goes below that due to the CPI scores, it might go to 12,000 as predicted by Garrett Soloway some time back. But but no one is 100% accurate. Let's hope for the best. I hope this should be the bottom for Bitcoin and it should pump back again to 20,000 soon and we have a fresh cycle in place. That's what I'm thinking of. But today I'm going to talk about Hedera hash graph is the project and why this is a good project. Currently, it's at 0.04 cents. In the previous bull run, it did a top of 47 cents. Currently, it has bottomed completely. And let me just hedge bar, right? Let me just pull hedge bar out and see where they can go next. So, first, let me just complete this. What is Hedera? And why are they a unique project? So as we all know, it's a decentralized application. You can create decentralized powerful decentralized application here. But what is more interesting here is from the technical aspect of how Hedera works. Hedera is built on top of conventional blockchain. Instead, it introduced a completely novel type of distributed ledger called hashgraph. And this technology allows it to improve upon many blockchain-based alternatives in several key areas, including speed, cost, and scalability. Hedera has an average transaction fee of 0.0001. That's the that's the least I have seen so far, and typically reach finality in under 5 seconds, which is one of the best technologies around. Hedera Hashtime claims it can handle more than 10,000 transactions per second, and they operate in proof of stake, not proof of work, right? So they are comparing to around 5 to 20 for most popular proof of stakes. They operate in proof of stake, not proof of work. Um, so that's what I feel from the technology standpoint. These guys are right up there on top. Fast transaction, finality is fine. Um, but other than that, what is more interesting as far as HBAR is concerned? Yes, they have the technology, they have the funding, they have built something very good. It is 10x faster, carbon negative. Hedera is owned and governed by the world's leading organizations: Boeing, DBS, Chainlink, as you all know, Dosh, EDF, FIS, Google, IBM, IIT Madras, which is one of the most topmost technology institutes in India. It's across India in a couple of big cities. LG, Nomura, Shinhan Bank, Standard Bank, Tata Communications. If you don't know what Tata Communications is, it's one of the top companies in India with over 400, 500,000, 600,000 workforce as of I know. UCL, Wipro is again a top company in India, and see the partnership that they already have, and a lot of people are using Hedera. That's what I see from whatever I understand from their website. So as far as I'm concerned, they are a growing company, and they already have some big names using their product. So say it says Hedera is the most used enterprise grade public network for you to make digital world exactly as it should be. Perfect. Now we know there is technology, there is speed, there is finality, and they have some big brands using them. So that is more than enough for me to go and invest. Now, looking at that, what are the current supply? It's 50 billion. The supply is too much. Circulating supply is 22 billion. That's the only negative aspect as far as I'm concerned for such a project. And still they are at 0.04 cents. And their market cap is at 110. 1 billion. Yeah, it's 1 billion. 1.1 billion. So it did 47 cents in the previous run. And what we can expect in the next run, whenever the market picks up, being a very good project in the space, look into this. It has completely bottomed. It has completely bottomed, right? It bottomed Jan 2021. Yes, Jan 11 Jan 2021. It is right now at 0.04, right? So yes, we are there right now. I think this is an opportunity here. If it goes to 0.04 cents, I'll get a small bag of Hedera, hold it. If it goes to 0.03 cents from here, I will still buy some more Hedera and fill my bag. So it's currently what, 37 rank. It's in the top 50 already, and it has got great potential. And I will wait for this to move in the bull market. So given that, all the stories are fine. Where do you think it might go? The next run. Let me go with the 3 point curve. Always think plus and minus in trading. So here I am bullish on Hedera. So I am seeing a stop. Next stop is at 0.085 to 8 cents when the market moves. I think 0.08 is very easy target. We can hit that number, and from there on we can move 9 to 10 cents. So I see a clear picture of 0.8 cents in a short span of time, which can double your investments very shortly. But if it goes down, if Bitcoin behaves bad, if it goes down to 12,000, 13,000, I see this going to around 3 cents, 2.5, 3 cents. I will go do my dollar cost averaging. That's how I'll do this trade. But right now, I feel this is a sweet spot for Hedera, being 37 ranked with amazing partnerships in place. I will wait for this to move up. I'm very bullish about Hedera when the market starts moving. I hope this is making sense, guys. Um, don't take this as a financial advice. Whatever I provide, I'm clearly giving trade my trade, how I'm going to do my analysis, how I'm seeing the protocols, what the network, whatever I'm going to invest. Do your own research, do your own analysis. I'm giving you all the good ingredients. I'm giving you all the good calls. My strike rate might be 99% at this point of time. There might be 1% slippage here and there. I've never seen anybody coming back to me and saying that uh, your calls are so bad. But looking at what the opportunity right now is, this is the bear market. This is where you have to go and buy. This is where you have to fill your bags and wait for the bull market. Dollar cost average. And once the bull market takes off, everything runs in the top 100 or in the top 50. There are 20,000 projects, right? So why are these top 100 projects sitting right in front of you in coin market cap in top 100 list? It's because they are doing something good, and the crowd likes it, and people will come back and start buying it. There is a lot of billions and billions of money sitting outside in the market right now. So think on those lines. Get if you want to get into this market, this is the right time. If it goes slightly below, Bitcoin goes slightly below, try to do your dollar cost averaging and make sure everything is in place for you. Okay, one more thing. Do not invest anything, that you're committed for, the money that you're committed for. Don't invest that. Always invest money that you think that, okay, I can, it's okay if I lose this money also. I have some $50,000 in cash. I have a 40,000 in commitment, and if the $10,000 goes here and there, or 5,000 out of that goes here and there, no, plus or minus for the next 3 or 6 months, you should invest that kind of money here. And if that 5,000 is multiplying, say 3x, it's $15,000, right? 3x to 5x. That's how you have to think. And given the inflation rate across the globe right now, 8 to 10% across, is somewhere around that percent, most of the places, right? So with 8 to 10%, if you keep your cash in the bank for 100,000 in the bank, the money next year is just $90,000. So the 10,000 is getting wiped off. You can think of those, the inflation money that you're losing every month in your bank, like 5,000, 4,000, and put this in a crypto and high risk asset, and you have to wait for it, right? So that's how you have to think, and that's how you have to invest. So guys, I hope it helps you. Just have a look at this Hedera hashtag. If it's not gonna moon, I'm not sure if it's gonna moon, but I can say that your investments will double when the bull market takes off in Hedera. Thanks, guys. Hope it was helpful. You have a nice day. Cheers. Talk to you all soon. Bye.